When we look left, when we look right, a lot of developers are asking the question, will AI replace developers? And that's a wrong question. Yes. The question should be, will you adapt or will you become a footnote in history? Before we answer this question, let us treat the issue of fear. Now, fear is not new and it has always existed even before now. Every generation faces a shift, and our own generation is facing a shift, and ours is AI. Now, let me give you this illustration and analogy. Back then in the 1880s, when horse was the only means of transportation, so many people use that as a means of earning, eating and surviving. They use us for transportation, that is, they use us for moving goods from one place to another or transporting themselves from one place to another. Now, when car was invented and it came, many people were scared. You get it right. Now, but the idea behind transportation, or the reason and goal for transportation, is to move something from one place to another. Now, when car came, so many people were scared. Oh, this guy is going to take our job. Who the horse riders? That's where we're making a living from. That is where we're eating from. And they were scared. But see the truth. Those people who refused to leave the horse, learn how to drive, were left behind and they would move on. So fear is not new. AI is the car of the 1880s that has come in our own generation, of the Gen Z generation. So just as car was developed then, and it came and people were scared, so AI has also come to our own generation. Now, as a developer, you are the horse rider. Before now, horse riders don't use vehicle, but when vehicle came, some decided to learn how to drive, innovate, and even use the vehicle and the cars that were invented as a means of earning and living. Now, we developers, we don't use AI before. Now AI has come. Now what we should do is to adapt, just as those horse riders adapted. We learn how to use the AI more better and efficiently. Just as the idea of transportation is to move goods from one place to another, the idea or the reason of being a software developer is to write code, build solutions and solve problems. Now AI has come. It just makes the work more efficient, more better and fast. Just as the vehicle and the cars invented made transportation more efficient, easy and fast. So the question should not be, will AI replace developer? That's a wrong question. The question should be, will you adapt? Just as the horse riders adapted and learned how to drive car to make transportation easy, we developers need to learn and adapt to AI to make our coding, solving problem and solution more easy. When we write code is just a language. Wisdom is the architect and vision is the blueprint. Just like an hammer on a table, AI is just like an hammer. It can build a house, but it depends on who is using it. That is the truth. You can even use AI to build the next solution, to build the next app or software that the world will be banging on, if you know how to use your hammer well. And that is the truth. So will AI replace developers? The answer is no. But those who don't know how to use it, those who just copy and paste, will be replaced. Don't forget, AI is just here to make our work efficient, more easy and fast. So as from today, don't just ask yourself, will AI replace developer? No, it won't. Ask yourself, will you adapt? Will you learn? And will you move as the world is pacing? If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. It's a way of supporting me. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.